What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a pair of Nike Air Jordan Cardinal 3s. Here's the shoe. Nice colorway if you ask me. Very interesting aspect of this shoe is that you got these like yellow details here. Yellow details there. Yellow details here again. Other than that, the shoe is just white, red with the elephant print. I think it's pretty cool if you ask me. No extra laces with this one. Jordan 3s are quite nice. Let's throw them on in a second. I might fast forward through this. It does usually take some time to untie these laces. I know no one has the patience for that, so. Okay, so this is a pair of Jordan 3s on foot, Cardinal 3s, in fact. Not just any Jordan 3s. Great sneaker if you ask me. The only downside to this one is these yellow Jordan logos. I think they're kind of strange, but who am I to judge? Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. If you're looking for a pair for yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. In fact, if you're looking for a nice pair of joggers or jeans to wear with sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.